everybody. I'm Zimiao Dong from China Unicom Intelligent Network Innovation Center. It's my pleasure to share my topic with you. Today, I want to share the topic that 5G Industry Edge Cube helping industrial digital transformation. The project builds an edge intelligent computing system that evolves into heterogeneous integration. Integrate edge intelligent computer power, city network capabilities, and industrial edge application capabilities, and realize the rapid development of Chang'an Automobile's multi-plant business and unified one-stop self-service. Taking the service automotive industry as an example, carriers have found the following difficulties in the current automotive manufacturing. 1. Highly complex processes and supply chains. 2. Too many uncertainties in production and manufacturing. 3. High quality requirements. 4. Long product life cycle. Based on the bold mindset, China Unicom will lead the industry from manufacturing to small manufacturing through end-to-end operation of the own value chain. Based on 5G mobile edge computing, pull through key links of quantities, increment, and delivery, and create a C2M industry mode. China Unicom will also promote intelligent manufacturing by using digital and intelligent technology to achieve brainpower teamwork between human and machine to build core competitive power in manufacturing. This project achieves an end-to-end factory production network with minute-level service uptime, meeting users' various flexible and interactive needs. The replication of industrial intelligence transformed in the industry can be achieved from 1 to N. Use the QR code on screen to learn more about the details of this catalyst and following our team for updates. Thank you.